I'm Mike Clark in Los Angeles, California. I love my house, and it had a nice green lawn till the drought came along in California. And Novell Remodeling, they came along and said, we can take that lawn, remove it, and put in drought-resistant California succulents. It's now very beautiful. The neighbors really love it. It's a combination of natural plants that are drought-resistant. It's some stones, big and small, and some pathways made of flagstone. I think anybody that comes along here is going to be very impressed with what we've done. The first time I met with the project manager, Gary, he was very clear in explaining what they could do and showing me photographs of what the possibilities were. And then he brought out a construction crew, and in just a couple of days they had removed the lawn. They had begun the process of replacing it with the drought-resistant covering and the stones and the flagstone. And the whole process was not painful. They did what they said they were going to do. They got there when they said they were going to get there, and they came in on budget. I was very satisfied with the job that Novell Remodeling did, and I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to improve the looks of their house and also meet the challenge of our California drought.